Hey, if you want to connect JBL Charge 6 into your TV, then first of all, you will have to click on the play button, on the power key to turn it on, and then on the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. And when this indicator is blinking, all you have to do is just to grab your remote controller and go to the settings on your TV. In my case, I've got LG TV, so we have to go into additional settings in my case. And then let me just zoom in a little bit. There we go. You have to go for the sound settings, and for the output device, you have to go for the Bluetooth and open the Bluetooth list. Then, when you get the available devices list, at the bottom you should get your JBL Charge 6. So just take a look for it. There we go. Now just use your remote controller, click OK, and now as you can see at the top, we are successfully connected. So that's how we can do this.